Well, ladies and gentlemen, the summer is coming to a close. The temperatures are dropping. We're here in mid-October, and as you can see, the tamaracks behind us are changing to yellow.
Yeah.
And that means our camping season's over.
Sad.
It is sad. We had a lot of great times. We
Yeah.
had a lot of good food. What were some of the highlights for you?
I think I really enjoyed going to the ice caves and trying to navigate and not like fall.
Yeah.
It was really cold though, and I think it was really cool to see all of like the ice.
But it was also great being able to get out there and go to the beach.
Yeah, the beach is fun. I liked how we brought our dog Rusty and seeing him experience the ocean and the water and the people there. I think that was really funny. Another thing that I really enjoyed was going on that hike at Cape Flattery with Maureen. I liked how like the trails, it wasn't like just a trail, there was like bridges and like little walkways and stairs, and I thought that was different and cool.
Cape Flattery was awesome. The forest area was beautiful there. You know, overall, just getting a chance to go out into the mountains, getting a chance to spend time with you was incredible. You know, these are memories that we will always have and we will always treasure. And it's been great. And I can't wait to see where we go next summer.
Me too.
It was good. We will see you guys next year.